Welcome. This short video will show you how to quickly get started using mCloud apps. To get started, just launch a web browser. I am using Internet Explorer on a PC, but Chrome or Firefox will also work on a PC, Mac, iPad, or Android. In your web browser, go to mstart.mccombs.utexas.edu. If you only ever remember one thing from this video, then remember this URL. It will take you to the logon page, which has links to other resources. The logon page has a link to the help wiki for mCloud apps and the installers for the RDC client for non-Windows computers. mCloud apps require the use of the Microsoft Remote Desktop Connector, or RDC, client. Just select the appropriate installer if you are using a Mac or iPad or an Android tablet. Windows has the RDC client built in, so I don't need to install it for this demo, but Internet Explorer will ask for permission to load it the first time you access this site. Just click Allow. To move on from here, enter your McCombs MSB account username and password. If you are a non-business student without an MSB account, you can log on with your Austin account, but only if your professor requests mCloud access for non-business students in your class. Click Sign In to continue. Once you log in, you will see a page showing you the applications available to you. You can think of this as your Windows Start menu or Start screen in the cloud. In this example, I will just launch a DTools Excel add-in called At Risk, since almost every student at the business school will need to use this at some point. The first time you run any mCloud app, you will be asked to allow a remote connection. If you check the box Not to be asked again, and then click Connect, you will not see this window again. Also, your web browser may not have the root certificate for the issuing authority used by UT. If you see this window, just click the Don't Ask Me Again checkbox, and then click Yes to continue. Once your application loads, in this case DTools, it appears to run on your own computer even though it is actually running on a server at the UT data center. I am just going to enter some simple data here, 1, 2, 3, and show you how to save and open your own files. To save a file, just go to the File menu, like you normally would, and click Save. Because you are using a shared server with security controls in place, you will see this warning. This just means you can't save files onto the server itself. Click OK to dismiss this box. The computer icon that appears here represents your computer, and if you open it, you will see the local drives on your own notebook or desktop. You just need to open the location on your hard drive where you want to save your file and then save it. To close the app, just exit as you normally would. When you are done entirely, it is always a good idea to also sign out of the website or just close your browser. And that concludes this demonstration. Thank you.